My rule of thumb is that once this bin is too full for the lid to sit flat, I do an empties video so that I can tell you if I would repurchase the products that I've used up or if they were total crap and I would never buy them again. Now, there are two rather large products in here, but you know, if that's what the rule is, that's what the rule is, and it may make for a shorter video. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first product that we have in here is Estee Lauder Double Wear with a pump that I added on myself. Yes, I would purchase this again. This has been a foundation staple for me for 20-something years, and I love it. I am in the shade 2W1 Dawn. I also wear 2W2 Rattan for part of the year in the dead of the summer. They did just send me both of my shades, which I'm really excited about because I have been talking about their foundation since the launch of my channel, and I didn't even know they knew I existed, so that was pretty exciting. But would I buy this with my own money? Absolutely, and I have consistently for probably, I would say 22, 23 years. This has been a staple for me. I have a Lush Snow Fairy Bath Bomb wrapper, and this was really nice. I loved the way this smelled. It just had a nice kind of sugary sweet scent, but not too sugary sweet, if that makes sense. I mean, I love Lush bath bombs. It was just a nice bathing experience. And I like to get these as a treat sometimes. So yes, this was good. I wonder if this is going to be all good or if there's going to be any no's in here. Sometimes it is all good. You just never really know. This is the Amore Pacific Treatment Cleansing Foam. So I raved and raved and raved about this because I got a travel size in one of their sets, which is a great way to try Amore Pacific, by the way. That's how I got hooked. I love, love, love their essence and this cleanser. However, I tried the Tatcha cleanser and I feel like it's kind of trumped this a little bit. But if I hadn't tried the Tatcha cleanser, I would have definitely repurchased this. I'm really loving the Tatcha. It's the light blue bottle. I can't remember the name of it because I know there's a couple. It's got kind of almost like a baby powder scent to it. It just smells so nice and light. It says it's a refreshing water-activated foaming cleanser that gently and effectively removes both makeup and impurities in one step, and it's good for all skin types. I double cleanse. I cleanse with either an oil or a balm first, and then I go in with cleanser. But this is a really good cleanser. And I feel like for the brand that can be so expensive, the cleanser wasn't as expensive as I thought it would be. Okay, speaking of double cleansing, I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I have repurchased this numerous times. I mean, numerous times. And I want to say I will repurchase it, but I've been using the Pharmacy balm, and there's some other ones that I really like. Maylove makes one that I really like. DHC. I have some other ones that I really like, so I haven't repurchased this. If you are averse to fragrance, this would be a good one to get because the Pharmacy does have fragrance, although it's never irritated me. It even says allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, ophthalmologist tested. I didn't try this for a long time because I thought it would be greasy and leave a residue, but it really doesn't. And then I go in with my cleanser after and all is good. Hello, Tatcha Deep Cleanse. This is not all cleansers left in here, guys. This is the cleanser I was trying to remember the name of a while ago. Also tried a travel small size of this cleanser and ended up purchasing the full size. I adore this cleanser. It's so beautiful. If you have oily combination skin, I think that's who this is geared to. Yeah, it says normal oily skin. It's kind of a soft gel cleanser, and it's got some little granules from the fruit extract, but they're not exfoliating beads. And it does say, you know, it's a deep cleanse, and I think people think it's supposed to exfoliate in that manner, and it's not. So I think some people kind of misunderstand this cleanser. It's really just supposed to cleanse deeply yet not strip your skin. And I find that my pores have been more clarified and my skin just looks clearer and brighter since I've switched over to this and a couple other cleansers that are not in this Empties video. Okay, so here's a lotion that I went through, and I think I got this from a FabFitFun box, and I did use up the whole thing. Would I buy it again? Probably not, just because I have other lotions that work well for me. This is Human Plus Kind Skincare with a Conscience, vegan and cruelty-free body souffle. I do remember liking the scent. Yeah, it was just really nice and light, lightly whipped 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle, super moisturized, soft to the touch. Great product. Used it up. I just have other things that I use. I don't feel the need to go out of my way to find this, to order it, when I've got other lotions and body creams that moisturize my body thoroughly and that I like the scent of. MAC Fix Plus. I use this to take away the powdery look of my makeup, to refresh my face, to give shadows a little bit of extra sheen. And if I want to use shadow as liner, if I want to wet them, I'll use this as well. I already have another one on my makeup table, so yes, I would repurchase this. So I have 2 of these. I guess I go through this pretty quickly. You use 2 scoops of these Vital Proteins collagen peptides a day to help get collagen in your body internally. And I know people say there's no clinical evidence that that actually works for your skin and all that, but I feel like I genuinely notice a difference when I don't use this versus when I do. I just feel like my joints feel better and just everything just feels better. And this is literally just one ingredient. It's collagen peptides, and you can add them to coffee, smoothies, recipes, anything. They're very, very mixable. You're not going to get that powdery, gritty feel or taste. Gluten-free, dairy-free. There's no flavor. I really do like these. And it says on here, skin, hair, nail, and joint support. And I feel like, it's kind of like with vitamins. I noticed that my joints feel better. My nails feel better. They seem stronger. And I feel like my skin does well when I take these. I'm going to continue to use these. I have a Glossier Rose Balm.com. Now this is not empty, but I went to use it the other day and it had gone rancid, and I don't feel like I've had it that long. Yeah, I had put it on and I just had to take it off. And I have so many other lip balms right now that I like as much or better that I would not repurchase this. And Rose was my least favorite flavor or scent. So if I did repurchase, I would get one of the other ones, the birthday cake, I think it's birthday cake, coconut. They just have other scents that I liked better than the Rose. And honestly, I don't foresee myself purchasing the balm.com anytime soon, simply because I am just overloaded on lip balms right now. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Acid Cloud Hydrating Toner Mist. And I'll just read you what it says really quickly. Hyaluronic acid draws pure atmospheric vapor, provides up to 72 hours of hydration with witch hazel, silk proteins, elderberry, sodium PCA, amino acids, vitamin B5. It's oil-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and any skin type can use it. So if you don't apply hyaluronic acid with some kind of moisture, it can possibly draw the moisture from your skin and it can make you feel drier. So if you've ever experienced that, that's probably why. So this is hyaluronic acid in moisture. So it's a great way to add it to your skin. I really did enjoy this. I use another facial mist right now. Would I repurchase this? Yes, if I ran out of my other one. I really do like my other one though. I use the Yonka toner. So if I had to pick one over the other, I would purchase the Yonka, but this one is more accessible. Like I can get this at Ulta. So from that standpoint, this one would be a great one to get, and it's less expensive than the Yonka. Really great product. I did feel a difference in hydration. I really enjoy using facial mists in the morning as part of my skincare routine, and then locking them in with serums and essences, things like that after. I like doing that, and I just feel like it's just a step that helps regulate, balance my skin, keep it more hydrated, and I did enjoy this. This is the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Natural. It got really, really dry after a while, so I don't really know how long I had had this, but it literally just broke off. But the shade is a really great shade. I haven't been able to find it since though. I don't know if they discontinued the shade or if it's just not available in stores or what. Would I buy it? I don't need it because I've got about a bazillion neutral, nude, natural lip liners. But if I needed another drugstore one, I would buy it. It's inexpensive and it works. I feel like for the amount of time I had it though, it should not have dried out and broken off. So usually I have a bunch of mascaras in here, and this time I only have 4, which is pretty good. So I have 2 of the Urban Decay Waterproof Perversion mascaras. Absolutely love it. These just dried out, you know, I mean, they reached their prime. So this just has just kind of a boring looking wand, but it keeps my curl. It volumizes, it lengthens, it separates, does everything a mascara should for my wimpy, non-curling lashes. I have a travel size of the Hourglass Caution. I have a full size that I keep in my vanity because this is a mascara that I apply over a waterproof because it's not waterproof. It doesn't hold my curl, but if I want more dramatic lashes, this is one that I choose. This is a great nighttime mascara for me. And this is the Lancome Bonjour Big mascara. This is another nice mascara. I just felt like it kind of got old, but it's really nice for volume. And this is the waterproof version as well. I just felt like it got kind of old and started kind of smelling bad, so I had to throw it out. We have a Donna Karan Cashmere Mist deodorant. If you follow my channel, you know this is the deodorant that I use. It has never given out on me. It's never stopped working. It doesn't fail. I cannot use natural deodorants. I've tried them all. I know somebody's going to come in here and tell me to try X brand of natural deodorant. I've tried it. They all give me a painful rash underneath my arm. Baking soda or no baking soda. I had to go back to a regular type of deodorant. I didn't want to, but I had to. And this is the one that just keeps working for me. I have two Briogeo products here. This is the Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. And this is the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I really do like some Briogeo. I have talked about a lot of their products on my channel. These are two that I would not purchase again. I did use this to the fullest just to use it. I used it on just kind of like random days when I wasn't going anywhere. I don't know. I don't usually use leave-in conditioners. I feel like they kind of weigh my hair down, though this didn't, but I prefer to use a rinse out conditioner. This, I did not feel like volumized my roots the way other volumizers I enjoy volumize. I'll put those down below if you're interested in knowing what those are. But yeah, I just wasn't that impressed with this. So let me know if you have other volumizers that you enjoy because I'm always looking for good root volumizers for my fine hair. Oh, hey, I have another NYX lip liner in here that also dried out and broke off. This is in the shade Nude. And this shade I prefer over the natural. So I would hunt this one down again. I feel like I have been unable to find the retractable liners anywhere. I see the pencil ones in places, but the retractable ones I just can't find. So if I did come across this shade, I would repurchase the Nude over the natural. I'm just kind of disappointed at how quickly these dried out and broke off. Has anyone else experienced that? Oh, this product I really liked. This is the La Roche-Posay Toleraine. Someday I'm gonna know how to pronounce that. Ultra eye cream. It's got this cool vacuum bag packaging on the inside. I used this during the day underneath my makeup. This eye cream was so nice, it actually caused me to take the daytime eye cream that I've been using and loving for years, the Kiehl's Avocado Creamy Eye Treatment, and stick it in the back of the drawer. That had never happened before. I find that I like both of them for keeping my under eye area hydrated underneath makeup and not affecting that makeup at all during the day. This was very hydrating, very lightweight, and it has no scent, which is nice. So I really enjoyed this. Now I haven't repurchased it because I do have a whole entire container of the Kiehl's Avocado, but would I? Yes. Okay, I lied. I had another mascara in here. This is the MAC Extended Play Lash Giga Black Mascara. This is what I use for my lower lashes. I've used other products on my lower lashes that have worked well, and this is hands down my favorite. I almost just poked my eye out just then. It doesn't say it's waterproof, but I swear it is. Sometimes the corners of my eyes water, and this never runs down my face. It just separates nicely. It's got this nice long wand that just kind of covers the entire lower lash line in one sweep. It's really, really great. So it's replaced all of the other ones that I ever tried, and I do already have a replacement going right now that I use every day. This is the Camille Beckman Glycerin Hand Therapy in Mango Beach #2. I loved this. I'm super picky about my hand creams, and this was huge. It took me forever to use this up, but I used this consistently. Now I have a couple of other hand creams going. I have the Caudalie, I have, who is it? Origins or Body Shop? There's something going by my kitchen sink. I just like certain types of hand creams. Nothing too scented, nothing greasy, nothing that wears away too easily. This fits all of those things. I would definitely repurchase this if I didn't have other ones going. Okay, I just talked about this a little bit earlier. This is the Maylove Day Eraser Face Cleansing Oil. I was thinking if there was any in here at all, and there is not. I talked earlier about double cleansing. This is one of the oil cleansers that I use sometimes to break up the makeup that has been on my face all day. It takes zero effort. I don't think that there's a scent to this. Let me make sure. Kind of an herbal scent. A lot of research goes into Maylove products. Their founders were MIT graduates. They make their products less expensive because they kind of strip away all of the fancy packaging and you buy right from their website. I'm just a big fan of the company, the brand overall, and I love this. It works really well. It gets off even my waterproof eye makeup, and yes, I would repurchase it in a heartbeat. This I love. This is the IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. This is a texture spray that you would spray through your hair on a day like this when you have that kind of tousled look going on. This is really, really good. I love the texture it gave my hair. I would definitely repurchase this. I'm actually trying to use up a couple more, and this is on my radar to repurchase. Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. I used this up and I have 3 in backup now, quite by accident. They are all in my skincare fridge because I had bought one and then Drunk Elephant sent me one, and then a kind viewer sent me one over the Christmas holidays. And so I am very well stocked now on this product. It is my favorite moisturizer and I just love it. This has 9 signal peptides in it and pygmy water lily. It strengthens the skin and moisturizes the skin and never looks greasy. It's just a great nighttime moisturizer that's not too heavy for my oily combination skin. I feel like it helps keep my skin more balanced while also helping with anti-aging too. I have a tiny pack of the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. I like these. I feel like there's mixed reviews on these. Some people like them, some people don't. Now, I don't use makeup wipes often, but when I do use them, they need to remove waterproof mascara because the first layer of mascara for me is waterproof to hold my curl. And I find that a lot of them, the majority of them, do not. This is one that does. If you know of other brands and the types of those wipes from those brands that do a great job of removing waterproof makeup, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always on the hunt because every now and then you just need a really good makeup wipe. And this is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. We only have the shampoo because I go through shampoo so much faster than conditioner. I already have a replacement in my shower. This is my No. 1 shampoo. I have fine hair, but a lot of it. It says on the bottle, it repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. For some reason, I thought this was going to be very heavy, and so I didn't try it for a long time, but my friend Risa swears by it. She says that it just repaired her hair, made it stronger, made it healthier, more shiny. So I decided to try it and fell in love with it. It and the conditioner are my 2 staple shampoo and conditioners now, and I'm about to run out of the conditioner very soon, and I will be replacing it. So I will keep using this until something better comes along, but I'm not sure if that's possible. So if you enjoy mini reviews like this, you may want to check out my January favorites video because I tried to keep each of those reviews 60 to 90 seconds this month. So I will have that linked here for you if you haven't seen it. There were a lot of great and varied things in that video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. I hope you enjoyed this video and hearing the short and sweet information about all of the products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.